is Sonarqube and why we need to use it? Sonarqube, formerly known as Sonar, is an open-source platform developed by SonarSource for continuous inspection of code quality to perform automatic reviews with static analysis of code to detect bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities on 20-plus programming languages. Benefits of using Sonarqube for code reviews. Sonarqube is a web-based open-source platform used to measure and analyze the source code quality. Code quality analysis makes your code more reliable and more readable. Sonarqube is written in Java, but it can analyze and manage code of more than 20 programming languages, including C, C++, PL, SQL, COBOL etc. through plugins. Plugins extend the functionality of Sonarqube. More than 50 plugins are available. Sonarqube is maintained by SonarSource. Sonar covers the 7 sections of code quality. First, architecture and design. Second, unit tests. Third, duplicated code. Fourth, potential bugs. Fifth, complex code. Sixth, coding standards. Seventh, comments. Sonarqube receives files as an input and analyzes them along with barriers. Then calculates a set of metrics, stores them in a database and shows them on a dashboard. This recursive implementation helps in analysis of code quality and how code improves over time. Well, let's have a look at benefits of using Sonarqube. First, detects and alerts. Sonarqube reduces the risk of software development within a very short amount of time. It detects bugs in the code automatically and alerts developers to fix them before rolling it out for production. Sonarqube also highlights the complex areas of code that are less covered by unit tests. It reduces the risk of misinterpretation by detecting and alerting developers. Second, sustainability. Sonarqube platform significantly increases the lifetime of applications by reducing complexities, duplications and potential bugs in the code, by keeping neat and clean code architecture and increased unit tests. Sonarqube increases maintainability of the software. It also has the ability to handle changes. Third, productivity. Sonarqube increases productivity by enabling development teams to detect and muzzle duplication and redundancy of code. Sonarqube facilitates the team members to reduce the size of application, code complexity, maintenance time and cost and make code easy to read and understand. Sonarqube decreases the risk of extra cost and time when changing the application code. Fourth, raise quality. Sonarqube can perform as a multi-dimensional analyst and can inform on 7 sections of code quality. For the better quality, it avoids duplicate code, keeps code complexity low and increases coverage by units. It can determine violation of code standards and helps software development team to abolish bugs. It maintains high-quality architecture, enforces coding standards and document APIs. This platform also facilitates developers to create a customizable dashboard and filters to focus on key areas. These tools help in monitoring the code quality and also keep track issues. It helps in on-time delivery of the quality product. Fifth, increase developer skills. The development teams as a part of their development process can adopt it quickly, because Sonarqube provides enormous value to the development teams. The development teams receive regular feedbacks on quality issues and it helps them increase their programming skills. Sonarqube helps developers to understand the quality of their software and ensures the transparency of code. Sixth, scale with business needs. Sonarqube is designed to scale with business needs. There has been no limit discovered to its scalability yet. Sonarqube has been tested in environments. It performs daily analysis on more than 5,000 projects with more than 4 million lines of code and 20 developers. Seventh, enable continuous code quality management. With Sonarqube, analysis of code becomes more easy and developers receive valuable insights to ensure that this is broadly adopted. Code quality becomes a part of development process and development teams. By enabling continuous code quality management, the software quality is raised and decreases the cost and risk of software management. 8. Define and increment requirements efficiently. Sonarqube has a set of some predefined standards that enable developers and software managers to get immediate insight into application quality. To adapt the organization or team-specific requirements, it can be configured easily. 9th, foster innovation. As more companies migrate to Sonarqube platform, they increase in size as well as in diversity. This platform enables these companies to customize and extend its functionality. Companies can get an increasing number of plugins and an extensive developers network. 10th, reduce risk with vendor support and services. To enable customers to get maximum value from their investment, Sonarqube provides additional value and professional support. Services including development, technical support, consulting and training are designed to help companies get long-term benefits.